CRT 9th class math exercise 12.1 question number 4. Find the area of the triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter. We have to find the area of triangle and two sides are given and the perimeter is 42 centimeter. Perimeter is given 42 centimeter. So we will draw a triangle here whose 10 centimeter and 18 centimeter two sides are given. Third side we need to find out, because till the time we will not find out the third side length, we can't find out the area of the triangle. So you can consider any side 10, 18, 4 means any side you can take. Now perimeter, we know that perimeter is side plus side plus side. Perimeter of triangle used to be plus of three sides, addition of three sides. So perimeter here it will be, here we have three sides, a plus b plus c sides of triangle. We considered it. Now perimeter is given 42. Perimeter we will keep equal to r parameter. This is given parameter and this is we will find out. One side is 18 centimeter, 10 centimeter plus c. So c value we will find out here 14 centimeter. So third side we find out. Now third side is here 14 centimeter. So area of triangle by Heron's formula is side s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. This is s is semi parameter. Semi parameter minus one side of triangle, this is second side of triangle, and third side of triangle, these will be minus from semi parameter. So we will find out the semi parameter. Semi parameter is parameter half, so a plus b plus c upon 2, these sides upon 2. Now semi parameter is 21. Now we will find out the area, we will solve it, we will get this. Now 21 we can make the factor, 7 3 ja 21, and now 7 pair we have, 3 pair we have, so one number we can take out from pair. So this is our area. So this is our question number 4, exercise 12.1. 39th class maths exercise 12.1 chapter 12 Heron's formula. Question number 5. Sides of a triangle are in the ratio of 12, 17, 25. Means a, b, c value. Triangle 3 sides it is given and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. So in these type of questions we consider the common ratio, so that a, b, c is in ratio, it is given 12, 17, 25. So x we can apply 12x, 17x and 25x, because x is a common ratio. Now parameter will be a plus b plus c. We will plus, then we will get, and parameter it is given 540 centimeter, it is given also. Now given parameter and which we took out, that parameter we will keep equal. So value of x will be 10. Now by putting this value in a, b, c, we can find out the proper values of sides of a triangle. So a is 12x, it will be 120. b is 17x, after putting the value of x it will be 170. c is 25, it will be 250. So these are the sides of a triangle. Now we want to find, we have to find out the area of the triangle. For this, that we need semi parameter. So firstly we will take out the semi parameter is a plus b plus c upon 2. These values it came out of triangle sides values, so this upon 2 it will be 270. So semi parameter is 270. Now area of triangle by Heron's formula is, this is the formula, semi parameter minus one side, semi parameter minus b side of the triangle, second side, and this is third side. If we will solve this, we will get this 270, 150, 120. Now we will make the factors of these numbers. 270 can be written 19 3 ja 270, 150 53 ja 150, 52 ja 100, and 20 10 2 ja 20. Now 10 we can write 10 9 ja 90, 50 10 5 ja 10 5 ja. Now 10 pair how many? One pair of 10, two pair of 10. So 2 twice, one number will be out of from square root. Now 9 square root will be 3. 3 pair how many times? One time. So 1 3 will be out. Now 5 pair, one time, 1 5 will be out. 2 pair also once, one time. So 1 2 will be out and 9 ka 3. So all numbers we have used. Now you can see after multiplication we will get area of triangle 9000 centimeters square, because we apply behind area is centimeter square. If in centimeter question, then centimeter square. If in question in meter, then answer will be meter square. So this was the question number 5th of exercise 12.1. NCERT 9th class math, exercise 12.1, question number 6. An isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter and each of the equal sides is 12 centimeter. It is isosceles triangle, means two sides will be equal. We need to find out the third side. Perimeter is also given 30 centimeter and area we need to find out. So perimeter we will keep equal to perimeter. We know the perimeter is 3 sides plus of 3 sides, addition of 3 sides of a triangle is the perimeter of triangle. So a plus b plus c and perimeter it is given 30. So from here we will find out the value of c, means third side. Third side will be 6. Now semi perimeter will be a plus b plus c upon 2. Perimeter half is semi perimeter. It will be 15. Now area of triangle we can find out by Heron's formula. It will be 15 multiply 3 multiply. Now 3 multiply 9. Now we can make the factors. 5 3 ja 15, 3 3 9, 3 3 ja 9. Now 3 3 1 pair, 3 3 1 pair. So 1 from 1 pair 1 number can be out. We can take outside, and 5 3 ja 15 will be inside. So 3 3 ja 9, 9 square root 15 centimeter square is the area of triangle. So you can see here question number 6 of exercise 12.1, chapter 2, Heron's formula.